Visionis is proud to introduce our indoor 12-volt 2,200 pounds of force electric strike with short plate. Model number VIS-EL104-FSESA is our fail-safe and fail-secure adjustable electric strike. Please note that these locks are strictly meant for indoor purposes and under no circumstances can they be mounted in an outdoor application. These locks can be installed on wood or metal doors. These particular locks are also meant to be installed on the jamb of the door. Here we will show the measurements of each lock in this video. In this section we will show you all the features and unboxing of the electric strikes. All packaging is subject to change. These locks also count on low power consumption. They use 200 milliamps with 12 volts. All mounting hardware is included. This lock can be adjusted to fail-safe and fail-secure. This can be adjusted on the back of the strike. You will see that there is a screw that can be adjusted with the different functions. Each lock will have its positive and negative outputs for power, and it will also include normally open, normally closed, and open outputs. These locks do not come with an LED indicator. The fail secure function remains locked when power is off. Here we will show you that there is no power going to the lock and the latch remains locked. The fail safe lock function unlocks when power is off. Here we will show you that there is no power going to the lock and the latch is unlocked and is able to open. When using these type of locks, they come with a door sensor that allows it to communicate with a network access control panel or standalone system. It will tell the system the status of the door, if it's open or closed. Here we will show you the EL104 with its power supply, which is kit FPC-5394. Here we will show you that this type of lock also works with a normal key. No matter if there is power or not, your key will always work. So for example, if your power went out, you can still lock it with your normal key. In addition, you can also use this type of lock with an access control system, as you can see here. Now we will show you how these locks are installed on the door.